First of all, put the installation key in the USB socket. Don't connect any other device, not an RVG nor a scanner. Run the setup file as administrator and follow this procedure. Now install the license key driver. Here you can find the software documentation. You can also find the folder named Manual with the PDF files in the USB key. Now we are going to configure the software. Select the directory where to create the database software. Click on this icon to access the login menu. You can log in as an admin. The default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, you can create new patient information. In this menu, you can use the device with Deep View 4. In the Setup menu, you can select the device model that you use. With Import, you can load patient pictures, video, and other files in the software. To create other users, follow the next procedure. Thanks for watching! Be simple, be smart.